Baby in a high chair, playing with his toys. Baby.
Hi.
Hi, baby.
Hi.
Oh, you're so cute. You eating food? Imaginary food? Hi. Oh, you're gonna suck your thumb. We're checking out this high chair. Where are we, David?
Ikea.
Ikea. Ikea.
Yeah.
Woo. In the kids section.
The kids section. We just jumped right to the kids section.
Yep.
It's right at the end,
Yay.
so we can just like skip all the other stuff.
Yay. And we have to go against traffic a little bit to get here, though.
Go straight to the restaurant and then backtrack a little.
Yeah. So we're seeing how this would be. I kind of like it.
Yeah?
And it's so cheap. So cheap. Goodness. Other high chairs, the cheapest one is like $100.
Yeah.
So.
Why wouldn't you? You could buy like 5 of these.
I know. And it looks really easy to clean. So.
Sounds like we need quintuplets.
I know, right?
Does that come with a purchase?
Yep. So he's doing a good job sitting in his chair, though, huh?
Yeah.
So we don't need a reclining chair because he's good at sitting.
Yes, he is.
Huh. Giant baby. Hi. Hello. Hi, baby. How's it going? What is that? The camera? Yeah. Squirmy. His little feet are hanging out. Little feet. Hi. Hello. Yep.
You can even buy a bib for him and some plates and
Oh,
spoons.
good. Yeah, they have all that stuff. Didn't you see that?
Oh, nice.
These little tables, a tiny table.
The kid tables.
Look at all the frog stuff. That's fun. Yep. Okay, well, say something IKEA-ish.
I can buy a baby for $20.
What? A baby? Babies are priceless. Priceless! Okay, say bye.
Bye. Say bye.
Bye-bye.